All right. Hello, everyone. So we're from group 2, gonna present the database that we already create. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Putu Suardika Wedayasa, with student number 034. And my friend,
My name is Aditya Dwiputra. My student number is 1003.
My name is Benedictus Tamba, and my phone number is 055.
okay, so the database that we are create is about donation. So the database will be used to record donation for the campaign. Okay, let's go to the database. So, you. Okay, so let's
Hello.
do the database. So we're gonna check the collection that we use first for the campaigns. Okay, so this this is the campaigns collection. There are ID, title, description, target amount, collected amount, start date, end date, status, and created and updated at. Next is the donation collection. So donation collection, there is ID, donor ID, amount, currency, payment method, donation date, notes, and created updated at. Okay, last is for the donors collection. Okay, in donor collection, there is ID, name, email, phone, address, and created updated at. Okay, so there is collection in our database. Next, for the code will be explained by my friend.
Right. So now I will explain about the API code. Right. So first, this is for checking the health of the API. So basically, we are pinging into the MongoDB connection to check the connection. So for the second one is gonna be the method post for donors. So this is the root to slash donor. So we request all the data, and then we update the time and the updated that time to the current time, and then we return the message created successfully with the ID. Next one is gonna be the method get. So basically, it will show all of the data in the donors. Next one is put. So this is for the updating the data, so we can edit the data directly from the donor's ID. Next one is gonna be the method delete. So this is the for deleting the data in donors. So basically we use the ID and then we delete the data from the ID. Next one is for the table donation. It's method post is the same as before. This is for the creating the data. And next one is also get, same. It prints all of the data in donation. And then for the put, it's gonna be updating the data based on the ID from the donation table. And the last one is no, not last one. The last one is delete. delete, this is for deleting data in donation based on the ID. And next one is the campaigns. So this is the same also for the post. We are creating data from the data that we input to the campaigns table. Next one is the get. We are getting the data from all of the campaigns data. So it shows all of the data from campaigns. And for the put also the same for updating, and the delete is for the delete. Okay. So I think that's all from the explanation of the API thing.
Okay, so next part is we're gonna demo the create, read, update, delete on Postman. So the first step is we run the type by type plus run min debug. Then as you can see, the purpose is running on this HTTP, and after that we go to Postman, and we're gonna do the demo. So the first one is we're gonna check is donors, and then after that we send and we get the data. Yeah, and then if we wanna to post new donors, like we go to the raw, paste it, then we edit like, and this one get add and updated is auto, so we don't need it. Let's say, educated with the ID. And let's check again if the data is correct. And here we are. Here we are. Oh, here, this one. Okay. Next one is update. For example, we want to update this data. The next step is we copy the ID because the root of the code is we download slash ID. We press it, we check the method, we go to draw again, and we paste. Then copy here, paste here, we delete the ID. And for example, we're gonna change the city, the address. So, and then we send. Okay, it's working. So let's take. Oh, check. Wait, we check the data. Okay, it's working good. Next one is donation. First one we get. Okay, you get data. And then next one is we wanna post. The drill is the same, so let's just press. There is donor ID. So the donor ID we get from the donors table. So for example, we're gonna get new donors, currency, the ID, the notes. Okay, let's send. It's created with the new donations ID. Let's check the donations. Okay, this one is the donations. Okay, next one is one code. We'll update it. We'll copy the ID. Enter. Let's say we want to change the payment method from Dana. Okay. Okay, donation updated successfully. Let's check. Okay, here we are. Dana. Okay. So, for example, we want to delete. Let's take the root first for donations. Delete donation ID. It's we delete the ID. Okay. So we take the ID. For example, we wanna take this ID. Donation deleted successfully. Let's take it. Okay, there is no donation with other method Dana. Okay. Next one is campaign. Let's get to campaign. Here are the data of campaign. We get the copy. So let's say we wanna post, go to the row, and we delete the auto-generated one. Next one. Let's say we wanna post something, collect that amount, description, things, for example, education in education for school, for elementary school in Papua. The start date we set like the day 6 January to Then right. The status is incoming. Target amount was about 400. The title is donation for and reports. Okay. And label is created. Let's check. Here we are. We get the data. Copy here, so we don't wanna wasting time to update. Like for example, we set ID. So for example, we're gonna change the end date. We're gonna change to 25. And the target amount is 1,000, 1,000. So let's update. Okay, campaign updated successful. So let's say we're gonna delete, just change the method. Campaign deleted successfully. Okay, that's the wrap up for the demo for the create update in the donations database.
All right, so that's all from the database that we create. Sorry if there was a mistake in our presentation. Thank you everyone for watching.